Hello, I'm Matt Glass, and welcome to my course, Maximizing Nmap for Security Auditing. I'm a senior system engineer working with a defense contractor in Stuttgart, Germany. Testing network security controls and discovering vulnerabilities are important parts of any organization's security plan. Nmap, or Network Mapper, is a tool that's been around for more than 20 years and continues to expand its capabilities. In previous courses, we explored Nmap scanning phases, capabilities, and uses in testing security controls on network devices. In Maximizing Nmap for Security Auditing, you'll expand on the concepts covered in the previous Nmap courses and dive deeper into Nmap scripting capabilities. In this course, we will not only discuss how to use different Nmap options, but also how to incorporate Nmap into shell scripts to automate auditing tasks. This course also introduces you to creating your own custom Nmap scripts to use in the Nmap scripting engine, and also how to modify existing built-in scripts to tailor output to your reporting requirements. This course is the next step on your journey to understanding and effectively implementing Nmap, so it's recommended that you have some familiarization with the tool, or watch the Getting Started course and Testing Security Controls and Detecting Vulnerabilities with Nmap before you begin this one. While all the examples in this course are run from a Linux command line, the GUI version is available and can be used if that is your preference. In addition to Nmap familiarization, it is recommended that you have a basic understanding of IP version 4 addressing, ports, protocols, and variable length subnetting before taking this course. I really enjoyed creating this course, and I hope you enjoy watching it.